Hey, tribe member, you're phenomenal, and thanks for joining me for this week's programming. Workout A and Workout B each utilize the mobility flow stretching series done in side lying, or we call that the MOBA flow. So what you're going to do is lie on a side, and it does not matter which side you begin with, and then you will do the sequence that you see me performing. Another description of that would be first to stretch the quadricep muscle and anterior chain musculature. Then hug the leg and pull the heel or nose towards the knee. Straighten it up and get the hammies. Then from side lying, rotate your rib cage, shoulders, and head all the way over. So I'm kind of going slowly on this right side, just showing you those moves as you're going to do 3 rounds through the MOBA flow. And then I'll also show you how to perform this on the other side, but I'll speed that up a bit so that you can just cruise through it and use it as a reference if you need to. So there we go on the left side. Just keep in mind that this is double timed, and so you'd probably want to hold each of your maneuvers for a second or 2 or 3, as opposed to the lightning fast blazing speed that old daddy lightning is doing there. Okay, once you've gotten this warm-up completed, that's again for both workout A and B, we're going to move into the main set of workout A, and that comes up with this series of jumps followed by exercises or lifts. So that first one was the frog jump, and now I've got some push-ups. Going to do 1 jump onto any height of box or bench that you want to use, followed by 8 reps of an exercise. So there was the frog jump and the push-ups. Now I'm going to do the deep, slow counter movement jump, and then head over to the pull-ups to perform my 8 reps there. And lately I've been using an assist band on my pull-ups to give some issues in my shoulders and right elbow that I have a bit of a break. You can also assist with feet or not at all if that's where you're at. Once you get finished with the pull-ups, you're going to move to the 3rd jump in the series. Again, it's just a single jump. This one is the impulse jump. So you just pop down with a quick compression and hop right up onto your device or object. Then we go into the overhead press. Here I am using a sandbag, but you can use anything you like. It's just one of my favorites for overhead pressing. Following those 8 reps, we will move directly into the final jump, which is called an approach jump, because you get to do a little scoot or approach jump before you hit your main jump and go up onto your platform. That's for your cat-like agility, of course. And then you'll follow that one up with a bent row. You can use barbell or dumbbell. Notice that good hinge, good flat back. You don't have to bend over too far. That's pretty good technique for an old guy. And that's what you'll do. Now, once you've completed the main set of workout A, you're going to go into this accessory movement, which is quite challenging. Those are the bridge curls, lifting up into a bridge as you pull the legs under you. Got to have a slippery surface with some rags or towels under, and it's not too easy on that posterior chain. I was glad that my hamstrings didn't cramp, although I'm going to try to get them stronger. Then you flip over and do the plank tucks, kind of the reverse. Definitely works the core and the abs a bit on the front side. So those are great maneuvers that you can do, and you'll do 2 to 4 rounds of that slider work. Now, we're already into the footwork circuit of workout B because the warm-up was the same. These are the Y balance toe taps, and so you're just using that inverted Y pattern and reaching out and touching as far as you can. Very deceptively challenging, I might say. Then you go into your square jumps. You're just jumping in a square. That's 2 feet out, 2 feet in, so double launches and lands. And it doesn't really matter which direction you go. You're going to get your sides all covered doing that. Then we've got the kettlebell crouch walk. So now we're stepping. You can choose your lead leg as well. Just working on maintaining that compressed position and isolating loads between the legs. From there, we're doing the lateral hopovers. Sounds like a breakfast treat, but it's a really nice way to work on lateral movement. It's not too ballistic. And then from there, we go into the finale, which is the combo of goblet squats with push-ups, with kettlebell swings, and you can use a dumbbell or a cinder block. 15 of all, 10 of all, and 5 of all. No break till you're done. It's really a blast. And I'll finish up with these kettlebell swings and just try to stay nice and rigid, connect the hips to the wrists, and that's it for this week, guys. Enjoy it, and thanks again for being a part of the tribe. You do rock.